Welcome to another video from the Menu and Settings series. In today's short video I will show you how to set the date and time on your verses. To set the date and time you must first turn on the ignition. Once your display shows signs of life, you must enter the main menu. You do this by pressing and holding the select button for 2 seconds. Your display will show different options to choose from. You need to select the date and clock option by pressing lower mode button twice and then pressing the select button. Your display will go to the next submenu. In this submenu we have 4 options to choose from: date format, date set, clock format and clock set. Let's start by setting the date format. To do this, select date format options with the upper mode or lower mode buttons and then press the select button once. Another submenu will appear on the display. Here we can set the date format and we can choose from a year, month and day, month, year, or month, day, a year. To confirm the selected option, press the select button and our display will return to the previous menu. To set the date, you need to select it with the lower mode or upper mode button. Then press the select button and a new submenu will appear on the display. Depending on how you have set your date format, the first option to be set will be highlighted on the display. In my case it is a day. Using lower mode or upper mode buttons, set the digit corresponding to the current day of the month and then press the select button. The month selection option will be highlighted on the display. Using lower mode or upper mode buttons, set the digit corresponding to the current month of the year and press the select button. The year setting option will be highlighted on the display. And again, using lower mode or upper mode buttons, set the year and press the select button. The previous menu will appear on the display. To set the time format, use the lower mode or upper mode buttons to select the clock format option and press the select button. Another submenu will appear on the display. Use the lower mode or upper mode buttons to select the desired 12 or 24 hours format option and then press the select button. The display will return to the previous menu. To set the hours and minutes, use the lower mode or upper mode buttons to select the clock option and then press the select button. The display will show us another submenu. Use the lower mode or upper mode buttons to set the desired hour and press the select button. The display will show the highlighted option to set the minutes. Use the lower mode or upper mode buttons to set the minutes and press the select button. The display shows the previous menu. To complete the settings and exit the menu, press the reset button twice.